Yo, hello everyone. Are you ready to monetize your online presence with affiliate marketing? In this video, we will show you how to step by step create a WordPress website optimized for affiliate marketing. From choosing the right theme and plugin to set up affiliate links and tracking conversions. You will learn the essential strategies to create a successful affiliate marketing website that generates passive income for you. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first thing first, go ahead and log into your dashboard in your WordPress of course. Remember me and then log in. So this is how the dashboard will be looking like for the first users. Now for the actual users, all you have to do is simply go and change the template and do the step that I'm going to show you. So first of all, for affiliate websites, we will need couple plugins. The first plugin that we will need is the affiliate link, of course. The second plugin is a plugin that will help us to create forms and etc. And we will need some other plugins to make our website SEO better, our text better and our templates better. So we will try to cover everything in this video. First thing first, go ahead and search for plugins. So for now in my website, let me just check real quick which kind of plugins I have. Alright, so here are the plugins that you will need to have. All-in-one WordPress migration, Contact Form 7, Elementor, Smush, Webflow Pages, and Yoast SEO, and of course WooCommerce to check out payments getaway, whatever version you have. And for those who have some any passion of making ads on their website, I suggest you guys to go ahead and install SiteKit by Google. The SiteKit will allow you to connect your website with Google Ads and start making ads on your WordPress website. Let's get started on how to install each one of these plugins. First, go ahead and click on Plugins and click on Add New. And now, from this page, all you gotta do is search for these plugins, as I mentioned before, which are Elementor. Here it is. Elementor, let me just fix that. Elementor. Here it is. As you can see, there is also WordPress migration. So let me just explain first each one of these plugins. Elementor is a WordPress plugin that allows you to customize the templates, add images, add sections, add categories, add whatever you'd like into the page. It will help you do that. For the all-in-one WordPress migration, it will help you to make backups for your websites, export and import these backups, and save them in a safe place. Now, for the WP form, as you can see, here it is. You can install actually this one or even contact form by WordPress forms or Ninja form. All of these kind of forms are eligibly good for WordPress. They are so famous and super good. I highly also recommend you to go for Ninja forms if you can get the premium version. That would be very cool for your own website and for the professionality looks of the website itself. Let's activate it as well. We might need it in the next like couple pages. Now let's go back to add new and add the last plugin, which will be the SEO Yoast. So Yoast SEO, this WordPress plugin will help you a lot to improve your WordPress SEO, write better content, and have a fully customized and optimized WordPress site using the Yoast SEO plugin. So it will improve the ranking of your website. It will make your website ranks higher in the Google engine search, and you might even be in the first page of Google, which is pretty insane in that case. Now, after we installed every plugin, make sure to go to installed plugins in the plugin section, go to active and activate every single one. If there is anyone that has to be updated, make sure to update it as well. Now, when we are done with those, what we'll have to do next? So this is our website first, how it looks like. Let me just open it real quick. So sorry guys, I had some problems functioning my website, so I had to redo it once over. Now this is how the website is actually going to look like. First of all, make sure that your plugins are all correctly done. So for now, we will need to actually to make an affiliate website, choose a correct theme. So go to template, save template from here, or theme builder, it whatever you'd like from these. Or in other ways, you can go to appearance and search for themes. So templates are for the ones who have already templates, but for appearances, for the ones who doesn't have any kind of template and they want to search for any kind of template. So let's add new through here and let's search for something that has relation with affiliate. So affiliate, and here we go. So affiliate blogger, affiliate I, whatever kind of affiliate website you'd like. So let's go for example with this one, which is looking pretty simple. So affiliate blogger, install it. It's not going to take a lot of your time, as you can see. So let's wait a little bit and now activate. Let's click on live preview. Of course, it will not look the same as it looks in the image. Put that in mind because you need to install so many things in advance so you can have the same thing. So this is for the premium version. You can have all the features, but we are going to stick up with the free features as well. So let's go with Elementor here. Let's make sure that Elementor is on. And let's customize the design using with Draftly. So as you can see here, you will have to add the actual Draftly account. So to get it, you can buy it for pricing plans. As you can see, 29 per one domain, 69 per limited domain, and 149 for a limited domain as well, but some extra stuff. And this is one-time purchase. This one is annual purchase. So it is completely up to you to get whatever plugin you'd like to start editing your website with. Now let's go to a page, for example. So first, as a website, you will need the menu. So if you want here menus, you will have to create a new menu and start making menus. So this one is going to be called main menu. Make it primary, click on next, and this main menu has to include some items. So let's add items as homepage, for example, and that's it for now. So we only hit at the moment the home page. As you can see, this actual um, website will have some plugins with it. So once you install the theme, go to theme settings and make sure that you have all the plugins necessary for the plugin to work installed. So if we want, for example, to this team recommend the following plugin, super help, begin installing plugin. So make sure to begin installing that plugin because superb help is a necessary plugin for this website to function well. So we have to install it. So let's do that real quick. Click here, actions, install, and install. Now this plugin shall be starting to install in our PC or our WordPress website, and finally by the end it will be installed. So this is for the actual website and how it's gonna function. Now you can edit it by yourself, make the whole design for the website by your own self. You can go to customize, edit widget, menus, header, and add the pages that are necessary for you. But now with the main thing that we need is to add affiliate links. So in order to do that, we're going to go plugins, click on add new from here, and then right now what we're gonna do is click on search plugins, search for affiliate, and here there will be bunch of options. So there's WordPress affiliate plugin, there is coupon affiliate plugin of WooCommerce, so you can use whatever you feel from this. Pretty links, affiliate links, link branding, link tracking, marketing, the best WordPress link management, branding, tracking, sharing plugins, easily make pretty and trackable short links. So this is all the things that you can use for affiliate. For me, I'm going with a WordPress affiliate plugin, Slice WP affiliates. I'm going to install it and then I will activate it. So once you install this plugin and activate it directly, you will have the affiliate program installed on your WordPress website. All you have to do next is edit the settings, go through them, and start making stuff and magic. So let's go here activate, of course, the super helper, which is the plugin that comes with the templates or the theme. And let's go back to plugins, installed plugins, and let's make sure that affiliate links are installed. So here we go, affiliate. Yeah, it's not here, so let's make sure it is here. Mailchimp, Talk Live. Here we go. It seems like it's not here, so we'll have to go back to a new and make sure it is installed. Here we go. Or actually, it is here. So as you mentioned here, slice WP, it is actually here. So it is successfully installed. Get started, or you can just skip and hide setup wizard. So let's skip everything, and here we go. Now, the first thing that you will need to do is enter your license key. Your license key can be found in your Slice WP account. So you'll have to create a Slice WP account on this website. Of course, you'll have to pay for it. There is a pricing, there is the Pro Plus and the Pro. This one will include all features and add-ons, license for one site and priority support, and everything you need to take your affiliate program to the next level. They will give you everything. Put here your license key and then allow affiliate registration, so people are actually going to start registered as affiliates, register affiliates as active, auto register affiliate if you'd like, and cookie duration. And here you will have all the settings to go through: payment minimum amount, everything, the currency, the page settings, everything you can edit through the settings, as you can see from here. And yeah, guys, this is basically it. That's how you can start making your affiliate website on WordPress. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.